Alright guys, this video you're about to see, I got my wife a new red Subaru for Christmas, and her first Subaru we bought, she really wanted a red one, but it was $1,500 more, and at the time, you know, I told her, sorry, can't do it. So here's 7 years later, and alright guys, just picked up the wife's Christmas present, a 2018 Subaru Impreza, and paddle shifters.
Let's open them. What did we get?
What did you do?
Are you freaking kidding me? Are you for real?
What?
What is it, baby?
Bobby needs some help.
Just leave Bailey hanging.
What is that?
Let's go see.
What's that
What is
to? Come on,
What would a key be to?
I'll show you something.
Get our car already.
Well, you know. Come on, everybody. Let's go outside.
You got a new car, Mama.
Yell at her. Yell loud.
Mommy! Mommy! I gotta find my shoe.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh my god. I'm like shaking. I can't even move. How do I get it open?
You don't, nothing, just open the door, it's all keyless.
Are you serious?
Bailey, come check out your truck.
Doesn't have any shoes on.
There's no key, you just hit the button.
Are you freaking kidding me?
No.
Oh my god.
And it might have navigation. Oh, hold the brake.
I love you.
Hold the brake.
Wow. You're awesome.
I love you too. You wanted the red one, remember?
I know I did.
Does this qualify?
Yeah.
But you got your heated seats, and this is all touchscreen, and you can set it up with all your phone, so you'll have your 3 screens like on your iPhone with all the apps and
Wow.
your phone,
Awesome.
and
And wait, you don't.
there is no key.
So what is this for?
You just have that in your purse, and as long as your purse is with you,
Oh, wow.
you can get in your car.
So
and-
how does it? It locks how? You just push
well,
the
you
button.
you just hit the lock button.
It's keyless. Oh, awesome.
Guess who I bought it off of?
Who?
Casey.
Casey.
Dugan, the lady who sold you your white Impreza.
Are you serious? Oh.
And she lent me that bow.
Did she?
You know?
Oh.
And she was the reason I was able to keep it all a secret.
Oh.
But wait till you see it in the daytime.
I bet. Sit in it with me, Mama. How cool is it? I know. I'm about dying. Can you freaking believe it? No.
How good
I'm
a present
shaking,
was that?
right? Now I feel cheap.
Heat seats.
I know.
Didn't you do a good job hiding it?
Yeah, I did.
Just when you said, "Is the water in the garage?" That's
I know, Dad. I'm like, okay, go.
I've been hiding it for a while.
I know.
Hey, you guys better get that bow off.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Where's Bailey at? She didn't even.
Want to go back inside. And she got an import truck. Why doesn't she want to get out?
We got her a new truck. It's the next morning. Here's the new car in the daylight.